Hello, I'm probably just going to copy and paste this video for the next assignment. I don't know how I missed the additional pages for this one. So I'm just going to repeat myself. I think these are both really good, and your work looks professional already, so I just have a few. I've already made the suggestion to make more of a space there so you can see the leg better, and that does help. And I would also do it sort of around here. Like, I guess there's, her hand is resting on something, but you lose a little bit of the curvature of her body. I might consider making the thigh here go more at an angle, because at this angle, it kind of looks like it's coming out of her stomach. Do you see what I mean? And then, so wherever you can add a little air there, that would be ideal. Anyway, so also, let me get this a little smaller. So think about what you want the viewer to do. Do any of these have more importance than the other? So, I mean, it looks beautiful, but it is a little overwhelming, and I'm not sure the hierarchy where you want me to look per se. So perhaps portfolio. The issue, I think, is with the color placement. So the woman takes up all the red, which, is like a target. So visually, it's all beautiful, but like I said, my eye is darting all around the page. If you were the president of Coca-Cola, what would you want the people to focus on? So think about that and possibly switch the color arrangement around a little bit more so that you can lead the eye through the page to the most important information. The second one is a little easier to take in. Coca-Cola up here is a clear hierarchy, and this 8 billion right here seems like it's what you want me to see. The rest of it is just a joy to look through, although very animated. But if I was an investor, I would want to spend time with each and every one of these. So let me zoom in on this bottom block. I like too that you're very consistent. You've centered the numbers nicely. Okay, so this, I don't know what this means. Partners, is this a placeholder, this bar chart? If so, you can put labels on the inside turned, or you can put percentages up above here. 5 million women to be empowered by 2020. 5 million. 5 million, does that mean they have Coca-Cola jobs? So consider being just a little more specific. 700 cases, yep, that makes sense. And then again, the partners, you just want to be clear, and I'm sure you're just in the process, but label everything. All right, looks fantastic. As I said, I will probably repeat this video for the next assignment. Bye.